गुड डे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ 7th ਕਲਾਸ ਦਾ ਫਸਟ ਲੈਸਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਰੀਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਆਲ ਦਾ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਓਪਨ ਯੂਰ ਬੁੱਕਸ ਐਂਡ lesson number 1. The name of the lesson is rent for water. ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੀਆਂ 7th ਕਲਾਸ ਦੀ ਖੋਲ੍ਹਣਗੇ ਅਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਰੀਡ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਲੈਸਨ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਰੀਡ ਕਰੀਏ, ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੰਪਰੀਹੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੱਲ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ। ਲੈਟਸ ਰੀਡ ਨਾਓ। ਫਸਟ ਪੇਜ ਦੀ ਰੈਂਟ ਫॉर ਵਾਟਰ ਤੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਰੀਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੋਪ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਬੁੱਕਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਖੋਲ੍ਹੀਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਔਰ ਉਹਦਾ 1 ਨੰਬਰ ਪੇਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਓਪਨ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਲੈਟਸ ਰੀਡ ਨਾਓ। Once upon a time, a man sold his well to the farmer. The farmer bought the well so that he could water his field. The next day, when the farmer went to draw water from that well, the man did not allow him to draw the water from it. He said, I have sold you the well, not the water, so you can draw the water from it. They started arguing. When they could not solve the problem, they decided to take the issue to the king. The king went to the court of King Krishna Dev Rai. King Krishna Dev Rai was sitting in his courtroom. He was listening to the complaints of the people of his kingdom. The man and the farmer came inside the courtroom of the king and greeted the king by joining their hands and bowing in front of him. The farmer looked very sad. The king Krishna Dev Rai asked him, why are you looking sad? What is your problem? The farmer narrated everything to the king. He said in sad voice, Your Majesty, I am a poor farmer. It is difficult for me to get 2 meals every day. Please help me. The king said, All right, tell me your problem. The farmer replied, This is my neighbor. I needed water for my fields. I bought a well from him to water my fields. The king said, Did you not pay him the money? The farmer said, I did, Your Majesty. With great difficulty I had collected money to buy a well. I bought the well from him by giving him the money he had asked for. The king asked the man, Did the farmer give you the money for the well? The man said, Yes, Your Majesty. The king asked the farmer, So what is the argument about then? The farmer said, Now he is asking me to pay the money for the water too. The water in the well is mine now. Why should I pay him more? I want justice, Your Majesty. The king asked the neighbor, What is this? Is it true? The neighbor also pleaded, Yes, Your Majesty. I sold him the well, but not the water inside it. The king found the problem very interesting and asked Tenali Rama, the wise minister of court, to solve it. Tenali Rama then said to the neighbor, We understand that you sold your well to the farmer, but not the water. Yes, sir, said the man. But you sold the well and took money for it, said the Tenali Ram. Yes, sir, said the man. The wise minister looked at the farmer and said, So the well belongs to you and the water to your neighbor. Yes, sir, said the farmer. So it is giving you a rent for keeping his water in your well, said Tenali Rama. No, sir, said the farmer. smilingly. He had understood that he would get justice. Tenali Rama said to the man, "Since you have kept your water in the well, you should pay the rent to the farmer or take out your water immediately. If you do not take out your water from the man's well, you must pay 2 gold coins as a rent to the farmer for keeping your water in the farmer's well, and the farmer will pay you 1 gold coin every month for drawing the water from well for his fields." King Krishan Dev Rai started smiling at how Tenali Ram had solved the tricky situation and done justice too. The Tenali Ram proved that greed is not good and punished the neighbor for his dishonesty. Students, we are completed the first lessons. I hope that you understand. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਲੈਸਨ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਪੜ੍ਹੋ। ਹੁਣ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਡੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੰਪਰੀਹੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਉਹ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਲੈਸਨ ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਨਾ ਅਤੇ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਨੋਟਬੁੱਕ 'ਤੇ ਨੋਟ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਅਤੇ ਉਹ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੈਂਡ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਹੈਵ ਏ ਗੁੱਡ ਡੇ, ਸਟੇ ਹੋਮ, ਸੇਫ ਹੋਮ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮੱਚ। ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਲੈਸਨ ਦੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਸ ਚੈਨਲ ਦਾ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਦਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਰਹਿਣ। ਗੁੱਡ ਡੇ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮੱਚ।